Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good evening. My name is Faiz Hakim bin Mustafi and we are from 40N. Today I was to share all about to taking introduction of the project. To the bill of the quantities, the BOQ is a document to list all of the materials, level and order cost associated with a construction project. It is to use as the PC for tendering and pricing the project. The BOQ that typically include detailed description of the work that needs to be done, as well as the quantities and type of the materials that will be prepared. It is often prepared by a quantity, surveyed and used by contractors to provide the quote. It at the detailed cost estimates for the project. So finally, the BOQ is also used to monitor progress of the work and to help ensure that the project is to complete within the project. So that's all to me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Harbi Abandi. My message number is 221-201939. Today I'm going to present to you about methodology and the explanation of the building components. And for the methodology, for the firstly is we learn about the project, and then we form a group, and then we discuss our group members, and we distribute the tasks of our group members. And after we discuss, we design the layout, and then we do the build of quantity. That's all about the methodology. And then about the explanation of building components is the specific tasks include in the site clearance, and the project will depend on the particular site and the plan of future development. For the future development, we have to particular of the site. And then the second one is this may also include the removal of trees and other vegetation, and the excavation and the removal of any underground obstacles such as rock and boulders. And then the third one is this process is usually done by heavy machinery such as excavator, bulldozer, and the backhoes, and the excavation site is inspected and checked by the engineer at the site, and to ensure the foundation meets the required specification. And then the last one is they are typically made of carbon steel, and are used to provide additional strength to concrete building and other structures. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Maharsh again. I will explain about the taking off for the project. First is a general site clearance, clearing of the undergrowth of site. Second is excavation work for the topsoil pipe cap P1, P2, P3, P4. And third is the piling works, initial pile, driven depth, and pile extension pile exceeding cutoff head pile. Fourth is the foundation works, high tensile reinforcement for pipe cap P1, P2, P3, P4, high tensile reinforcement for the column stump, formwork timber for the pipe cap P1, P2, P3, P4, formwork for timber for column stump, and the concrete for the pipe cap and the column stump for the P1, P2, P3, P4.
My name is Mitandra Chandra Kibari. My metric number is 221201937, and I'll be interpreting about bill of quantity of my group 14N. First and foremost, for site clearance, it has an unknown quantity, rate and amount. For excavation of topsoil, it has 660 meters square with a rate 6 ringgit per meter square, and the amount is 3,960. For excavation of pile cap 1, 2, 3 and 4, it has 37 meter cube with a rate 45 ringgit per meter cube, and the total amount is 1,665 ringgit. For piling works, initial piles, it has 75 meter cube with the rate 202 ringgit and 50 cents per meter cube, and the amount is 15,187 ringgit and 50 cents. For piling works driven depth, it has 2,250 meter cube with the rate 11 ringgit and 90 cents per meter cube, and the amount is 26,775 ringgit. For piling works pile extension, it has 228 meter cube with the rate 20 ringgit and 50 cents per meter cube, and the amount is 4,674 ringgit. For extension pile exceeding 15 meter long, it has 3,375 meter cube with the rate 68 ringgit and 40 cents per meter cube, and the amount is 230,850 ringgit. For piling works, piling head and cut off pile head, it has 75 meter cube with the rate 50 ringgit and 10 cents per meter cube, and the amount is 3,757 ringgit. So for the total amount for site clearance, excavation and piling works is 286,868 ringgit and 50 cents. For the foundation works, the reinforcement bars, it has 828 kg with the rate 4 ringgit 10 cent per kg, and the amount is 3,394 ringgit and 80 cents. For the foam work, it has 111 meters square with the rate 34 ringgit and 23 cents per meter square, and the amount is 3,799 ringgit and 60 cents. And for the concrete, it has 28 meter cube with the rate 324 ringgit and 90 cents per meter cube, and the amount is 9,097 ringgit and 20 cents. So for the total amount for foundation work is 16,291 ringgit and 60 cents. Thank you.